Hey there, fellow maker, Bill here. Welcome down to the shop. Today, we're gonna take a look at the fan-submitted finished props of our 250,000 subscriber challenge, the Makonde Dagger. This is the one that I made. Again, this was designed by legendary video game artist Jonah Lobe, and I went and built it and put together a tutorial on how I built mine. Of course, you can go check that video out if you haven't already. And just like our 100,000 subscriber challenge, the Malcolm Reynolds pistol, I challenged fans to go out and make their own version of this prop, and the fans delivered. So, without further ado, here are the 17 fan-submitted Makonde Daggers. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Craig, and this is my version of the Makonde Dagger. I wanted to try something new and had a go at carving this from basswood using various files and a Dremel.
Hey Punish Props, I'm James and this is my 3D printed Makonde Dagger. Thank you to you and Jonah for this great design. Congratulations on your currently 350,000 subscribers.
Hi, I'm Tim and this is my Makonde Dagger.
Hi, I'm Phil from Missing Person Props, and this is my Makonde Dagger.
I'm Jason, and this is my Makonde Dagger build. I modeled it in Fusion 360, 3D printed it in PLA, leather wrapped the handle, and airbrushed it with acrylic paint.
My name is Oliver, and I made this out of styrofoam.
Hi there, I modeled my Makonde Dagger in Fusion 360 and printed it with my Dremel 3D printer.
Hi guys, I'm Paul from England and I made my dagger from MDF of various thicknesses, PVC pipe and some leather. Thanks for all the good videos and here's to the next milestone.
Hi, this is Hans Goosen from the Netherlands and this is my acrylic and really put epoxy putty version of the Makonde Dagger.
My name is Keanu Rust, I'm 16 years old and I made this dagger out of PVC foam.
I am so stoked to see the final projects that our wonderful fans came up with. A lot of really fun interpretations and takes on this design. I was very excited to see a lot of variety in both the tools and materials used, as well as some really fun design choices. This has been a long time in the making, and I thank everyone so much for playing along and submitting their work. We will be doing another one of these if you'd like to play along in the next one. We're thinking it'll be at 500,000 subscribers, which if projections hold true, should be in about 8 months or so, which just blows my mind. I don't know what we might do for that project, but that will be forthcoming. Okay, that's all I had for you today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Thank you, friends, for submitting your wonderful projects. And I'll see you in the next build.